Hi, I'm Joe from Screw Innovations with another night power sports product. This is our cell phone Safebox mount. Inside this box, you'll get some paperwork, of course with a sticker, the written instructions showing you how to mount this product, the Safebox with mounting plate, and of course the hardware used to mount it and to trim your foam and glue it together. So this Safebox is green. We have 7 different colors to choose from. And as I said, this mount that comes with it, this is our flat mount to mount to any flat surface. This also has threads in it. Those threads can be used with our optional kit here that you can add to your Safebox. This is our PVC mounting kit. Our PVC mounting kit includes 2 elbows, 2 pieces of pipe, 2 threaded adapters, the mounting puck, and a spacer, along with 2 screws and 2 nuts. And this can be set up in any orientation, so you can mount on any surface and any direction. So the first step is to decide where you actually want to mount your Safebox. In this case, on this kayak, we're going to want it right in front, a little off to the side. Make sure that you have access to the clip there. So we're going to put it right around here. So now we're going to take out the puck from our mounting kit. That's this piece here, and we're going to secure that onto the kayak. There's a few different ways you can do that. You can use some very strong double-sided tape. You can use epoxy, or you can use a drill. In this case, it's very easy to get to the other side, so we're going to use a drill some holes in here and use our screws to mount it. So we're going to line this up and go right through the puck, just like that. Then we're going to install that one screw and then drill the other holes. Okay, so I took that screw from the kit and the nut I'm putting on underneath. And then I can use some tools here to tighten this up. All right. So now, before I actually screw the next hole in, I'm going to just do a quick soft fit here, like push things together lightly to make sure it goes exactly where I want it. These lengths of PVC come pre-cut this length. Of course, you can make them shorter or pick up PVC at your local hardware store to make them longer if you want. So I am going to see about this going on. Probably going to want it something like that, maybe like this. So then this part will screw into the back of your Safebox, but the threads are a little long here, so included with your kit is a spacer. That spacer on there, and then this threads in right here. You can tighten that down. Something like this. I definitely want to cut this shorter and this shorter, but I like that spot, so I'm going to drill the next hole like that and finish installing this part. So this is tightened down, and putting it back together like we had before, I took some slight measurements, and it all depends on where exactly you want to put your Safebox. So I took the 2 supplied pieces of PVC and I cut them down. I have these 3 short pieces here, and that works out really nice. Actually move it over a little bit like this. Putting those pieces together in that orientation allows me to get the phone right where I want it. I can tilt it back a little bit if I want, and that location is really good. So the next step now is going to be to make some marks on it so that I know where everything goes. And then you can put PVC glue and primer on it if you want. In most cases, this holds so tight you don't even need to, but I'm definitely going to paint it so that it looks a little bit nicer. So I'm going to make marks as where everything goes now and hit a little bit of paint. So the mount's all set. The last thing to do would be to set your foam up for your phone. You can see that in our other video, exactly how to do that. So I'm gonna take the foam out that's in this one. You would line your phone up, trim this out, glue it all together, and the end result would be something like this. So this one now goes in here. Take your cell phone, pop that in there just like that. And you're all set, ready to go kayaking, waterproof. You can videotape out the front, just like that.